Hello students, how are you? I hope you are doing good and busy with your regular studies. So let's start general knowledge questions for class 7. Today's topic is disciplines, which means study of different fields. Here you will get so many new words which are very new and you are not familiar with these words. So I would suggest you that please try to listen to the words carefully and their meaning as well. Keep your pen and copy ready to note down any of the new words with which you are not familiar. The question is, choose the correct option or options. So since here it is given as option or options, that means one question may have more than one answer. It may have two answers as well. First one, the study of fossils is. Options are archaeology, paleontology, pedology, fossilology. Options are archaeology, paleontology, pedology, fossilology. So the answer will be paleontology. Now let us understand the meaning of these words. Fossil means जीवाश्म. So paleontology, this will mean as जीवाश्म विज्ञान. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? जीवाश्म विज्ञान. Let us discuss the another options as well. Archaeology, here archaeology means पुरातत्व विज्ञान. Archaeology means पुरातत्व विज्ञान. Paleontology, जीवाश्म विज्ञान. So the answer will be B part. Pedology, here pedology means भूतत्व विज्ञान, मिट्टी संबंधित जो पढ़ाई करते हैं. And fossiliology is not a word actually. Moving to question number 2. Herpetology is the study of. Options are amphibians, reptiles, hare, horses. And the answer will be amphibians as well as reptile. Both these are correct answer. Herpetology means सरीसृप विज्ञान, सरीसृप विज्ञान. And reptiles are those animals which live on land. Amphibians are those animals which can survive on land as well as in water. So both the answers are correct, A and B. Third question. Gastronomy is the study of food, the intestine, the stomach or the gas. And the answer will be food. The correct answer of gastronomy is the study of food. The Hindi meaning of gastronomy is Paak Kala Parak. Question 4. The art of making maps is it graphology, mapography, vexillology, cartography? So the answer will be cartography. The art of making maps is called as cartography. हिंदी मतलब है नक्शा नवीसी, मानचित्रकारी. Let us discuss other options also. Graphology. Graphology means हस्त लेखन का विज्ञान, हस्त लेखन का विज्ञान. Mapography is not a term actually. Vexillology, व्युत्पन्न प्रारूप. फ्लैग्स की जो स्टडी करते हैं, डिफरेंट कंट्रीज के जो फ्लैग्स की स्टडी करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज वेक्सिलोलॉजी. नाउ फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन. द स्टडी ऑफ ह्यूमन बींग्स इज सोशियोलॉजी, एटिमोलॉजी, एंथ्रोपोलॉजी, फिजियोलॉजी. सो द आंसर विल बी एंथ्रोपोलॉजी. स्टडी ऑफ ह्यूमन बींग्स इज कॉल्ड एंथ्रोपोलॉजी, मनुष्य जाति का विज्ञान. एंड द अदर टर्म्स आर सोशियोलॉजी, इट मीन्स समाज शास्त्र. एटिमोलॉजी, इट मीन्स व्युत्पत्ति विज्ञान, शब्दों के उद्गम का शास्त्र. जो शब्द कैसे उत्पन्न हुए हैं उसके बारे में पढ़ाई करते हैं, वो होता है एटिमोलॉजी. वर्ड्स रिलेटेड टू वर्ड, स्टडी ऑफ वर्ड्स. एंड हियर फिजियोलॉजी, दिस इज द स्टडी ऑफ फिजिक्स, भौतिकी, इसको बोलते हैं फिजियोलॉजी. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज the study of fungi is called mycology, moldistics, fungology or biology. And the correct answer will be That study of fungi is called mycology. मतलब कवक विज्ञान. Fungi is kavak, so mycology is kavak vigyan. Moldistic is not a word. Fungology again not a term, and biology means jeev vigyan. Question 7. Sinology is the study of A option sinuses, B option sins, C option China, D option Sinai Peninsula, and the answer will be Sinology is the study of China. चीनी भाषा का ज्ञान, that is called as sinology. Now let us discuss the other options also. Sinuses, what is it? So sinus is pulse, जो हमारी नाड़ी होती है नासर, that is called as sinus. Second one is sins. Sins मतलब पाप, sin. And Sinai Peninsula is Sinai Pradeep, a peninsula in northeastern Egypt at north end of Red Sea, that is Sinai Peninsula. Question 8. The science of classification of things. The science of classification of things, is it called as classmatics or systematics, nomenclature or taxonomy? So the answer will be science of classification of things can be called as systematics, or it can also be called as taxonomy. So both the answer B and D part are correct. So 8, the answer of 8 will be B and D. Study science of classification of things is systematics, or you can also say taxonomy. Now what is classmatics? Is not a term. And nomenclature, this is glossary, terms, शब्दावली जिसे कहते हैं, that is nomenclature. Systematics is व्यवस्था, taxonomy वर्गीकरण. So classification means वर्गीकरण. So science of classification of things will be systematics or taxonomy. So here are the words which I had discussed in Hindi. I would suggest you to pause the screen and write these words in your notebook so that it will help you in future also. Fossils जीवाश्म, आर्कियोलॉजी पुरातत्व विज्ञान, पैलेंटियोलॉजी जीवाश्म विज्ञान, पेडोलॉजी भूतत्व विज्ञान मिट्टी संबंधी, हर्पेटोलॉजी सरीसृप विज्ञान, गैस्ट्रोनॉमी पाक कला परख, ग्राफोलॉजी हस्तलेखन का विज्ञान, वैक्सिलोलॉजी फ्लैक्स व्युत्पन्न प्रारूप, कार्टोग्राफी नक्शा नवीसी या फिर मानचित्रकारी, एटिमोलॉजी दैट इज रिलेटेड टू वर्ड्स, सो व्युत्पत्ति विज्ञान शब्दों के उद्गम का शास्त्र, एंथ्रोपोलॉजी हियर मनुष्य जाति का विज्ञान, फिजियोलॉजी स्टडी ऑफ फिजिक्स भौतिकी, सोशियोलॉजी समाज शास्त्र, फंजाई कवक, माइकोलॉजी स्टडी ऑफ फंजाई मतलब कवक विज्ञान, बायोलॉजी जीव विज्ञान, साइनोलॉजी चीनी भाषा का ज्ञान, साइनस नाड़ी पल्स नासर, सिन पाप, सिनाई पेनिनसुला हियर PENINSULA, I is invisible a bit, but if you see properly it's peninsula. So a peninsula in northeastern Egypt at north end of Red Sea, Sinai Pradeep. Systematics व्यवस्था, taxonomy वर्गीकरण, nomenclature शब्दावली, glossary or you can also say terms. Moving to question 2, people with different occupations are given specific names. Fill in. So here people have been given with specific occupations and we have to fill it. But here we can see there are more options. Physicist, birds, chiropractor, astronomer, astrologer, waxologist, chiropodist, pediatrician, physician, insect, pathologist, ant, languages, programmer, encoder, calligrapher. So let's see which one fits in which one. Question A part, second A part. Someone who studies the stars and heavenly bodies is an. Someone who studies the stars and heavenly bodies is that person will be called as astronomer. ASTRONOMER, astronomer, खगोल विज्ञानी. B part, a dash develops computer software. So the person who develops computer software will be called as programmer. C part, someone who studies physics is called this is a simple answer, isn't it? That person will be called as physicist. Okay. भौतिक विज्ञानी. D part, an entomologist studies what? That will be insects. Okay. कीट विज्ञानी. Entomologist is कीट विज्ञानी. E part, a person who studies dash is called an ornithologist. Now the person who will be studying something will be called as ornithologist, and the answer is birds. Pakshi Vigyani, that person will be called as ornithologist. F part, a dash specializes in the treatment of children. So that doctor will be called as F part, pediatrician. G part, a dash studies flags. This question came in the above question as well, right? So the person who studies flag will be called as vexillologist. Vexillologist. H part, a linguist is someone who studies dash. So linguist means language, a person who studies language. So the answer will be H part, language. Okay, language. Next question. I part, a dash is someone who can write in beautiful handwriting. And this word or term you might have heard also. The answer will be calligrapher. Sulekhak. So here are the words which I had discussed with you in Hindi. You can write it in your notebook and please try to learn these. Here are the answer key of the topic disciplines. Try to learn these, guys. I'm sure after learning these words, you will feel so much confident about yourself. Have a nice day. Thank you.